Here in the next part, what is global warming? So, global warming means unequal and continual rise in average temperature in Earth's climate due to greenhouse effect. Due to greenhouse effect, okay, unequal and continued rise in average temperature. There is a disturbance in this thing in Earth climates due to greenhouse effect. Certain gases entrap infrared rays UV radiation so that the temperature of earth increases. Due to this temperature of earth increases, the planet become warmer. This effect is known as a global warming. This is called because certain I can explain this: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC called halocarbon, etc., known as greenhouse gases. These gases retain heat. These gases retain heat. Increase in their proportion lead to problems of global warming and climate changes. Okay, if these gases increase, okay, there is a ratio proportion disturbance take place in the climate. For that reason, global warming occurs. We can use as we are using more ACs. Again, we are just traveling unnecessarily vehicles. Industries not following the different protective method. For this reason, so humans create this thing. For that, global warming occurs. Okay, these gases will increase unnecessarily in the different proportion, though proportion changes. For that reason, global warming will take place. For that reason, there is a tremendous changes in the climate. For that reason, there is a effect of greenhouse. As you are seeing in this picture, you see reflected, absorbed, escaping radiation, all this in greenhouse effect and global warming. Next film, you can see here, you can read yourself, you can understand news film, newspaper, how does the earth get heated. Okay, next thing is here, as you are seeing in the picture. Here you can see here global temperatures annual average, 5 years average. You can see here increased average temperature on earth in the last 150 years due to this graph. Okay, you can read here in the table. Next you can see here different gases. Here methane, the massive increase in methane proportion from 315 ppm in the year 1750 to 1764 ppm in the year 2005 was due to the reasons listed below. Okay, what is the reason here? Exhaling of animals and metabolism process. Okay, here release of methane 14 crore ton. Okay, again here see paddy cultivation 15 crore ton release of methane. Decomposition of the biodegradable waste 7 crore ton. Okay, again you see here nitrous oxide, the proportion of nitrate oxide has increased from 270 ppm to recent 319 ppm. So this is the increase of nitrate oxide, so it is one of the cause. Next, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC we can say, due to the use of foam plastic, okay, refrigerators, AC, circuit aerosol spray, the minute particles having the size ranging from 1 micron to 10 micron is known as the aerosol, etc. Okay, there has been an increase in the CFC. So it is one of the cause of global warming. Effects of global warming. Dear student, what is the effect of global warming? Countries with cold climate receive less heat from the sun. This hampers growth of plants and vegetables. Thus, arrangements are made to conserve heat by having the roof of a glass or closed to allow sun rays, okay, to reach inside the sustained heat with a created due to the production of carbon dioxide and water vapor. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Okay, again you see here effect of global warming. Changes are observed in the growth and development of the vegetation. We can observe changes and observed in the growth of development and of the vegetation. Okay, certain species of birds are now disappearing. Okay, we are not seeing these certain types of species of birds, because why? Due to these changes, okay, disappearing, such as sparrows and vultures. 2000 glaciers of Himalayas have receded, melted, due to why? Just I mentioned, this is a gas increase in this environment. This is the causes that affect the global warming, and we have to bear this. Gradual changes observed in the glaciers. Gradual changes take place. Due to this, you see in this map, May 12, 2001, how the figure here, July 1, 2003, June 19, 2006. Okay, our glaciers are melting due to global warming, due to heat created by humans. Non-conventional sources of energy we can see here. Okay, solar energy, wind energy. Again, you see here biomass, tidal energy. So these are the non-conventional source of energy. Okay, here see non-conventional source of energy. So as you are seeing in this thing, to measure to prevent global warming. So what can we eradicate? What can we get rid of this? If we follow these rules, we can change the global warming pattern. Reduce the use of sources that release CO2. Okay, we should not use. Again, afforestation and conservation of forest should be done. Growing trees help to reduce carbon dioxide. We have to grow. Okay, government taking this initiative to grow more trees. So it is a strong cause. We have to follow this custom so that we can avoid this. Avoid the use of plastic. We should not use plastic. We should use homemade clothes, bag like this different thing. Okay, we should not use, because it is ready-made use. So it is a bad habit. For that, we have to avoid plastic so that this can be avoided. Optimum use of manure and pesticides. We have to use this optimum use of manure and pesticide. We should not use fertilizers. Adopt of organic farming, use of green manure in cattle. Next, add biotic in the food for animal. Optimum use of household appliances. Proper use of means of transport. Okay, next, suppose we have to go by, we can use bicycle or like that. We have to by walk in short distances. We should not use vehicles. Check the growth of human population. Design the building with sufficient ventilation to save electricity. So it is one of the cause. Always we are using phone occasionally. We have to avoid this. We have to build a house in such a way that air passes in our house, so that we can avoid this. Increase the use of eco-friendly papers. Grow plants and trees around our houses. Make optimum use of natural resources. Use petroleum product judiciously. Okay, this is the main cause of this. We should not use unnecessarily of these petroleum products. Use water carefully. Practice rainwater harvesting. It is one of the main reason to avoid this. Increase the use of CNG and non-conventional sources of energy, just I shown in the picture. So if you follow this thing, definitely global warming will be decreased, and it is a great boon for humanity. Okay, if we follow these steps carefully. Next, dear students, next topic is global policy in protect environment. Global policy in protect environment.